Division by twos.
Let's start. What is 100 divided by 2? The answer is 50. 100 divided by 2 is equal to 50. Now for the second problem. 90 divided by 2 is equal to. The answer is 45. 90 divided by 2 is equal to 45. For the third problem. What is 80 divided by 2? The answer is 40. 80 divided by 2 is equal to 40. The fourth problem is, what is 70 divided by 2? The answer is 35. 70 divided by 2 is equal to 35. Now for the fifth problem. 60 divided by 2 is equal to. The answer is 30. 60 divided by 2 is equal to 30. Since we're halfway through, I would like to remind you to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video to your relatives and friends. Thank you. Now for the next problem. 50 divided by 2 is equal to. The answer is 25. 50 divided by 2 is equal to 25. Here's 4, the seventh. 40 divided by 2 is equal to. The answer is 20. 40 divided by 2 is equal to 20. Now for the problem number 8. What is 30 divided by 2 is equal to? The answer is 15. 30 divided by 2 is equal to 15. The number 9th problem. 20 divided by 2 is equal to. The answer is 10. 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. Now, for the last one. What is 10 divided by 2? The answer is 5. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Did you find this video useful? Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. That's all for now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for more videos to come. Thank you.